Hey Colorado, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom in Thornton, Colorado, and I have got some great deals for you. So we've got some good finds in dishwashers, and everybody loves a Bosch dishwasher. It's the most sought after brand that we have, and we rarely get some deals like this and low prices like this. And this is the first one I want to talk to you about. This is a Bosch 50 dBA dishwasher. What is a dBA? Well, that's how quiet it is. So in the old days, you know, we're talking 10 years ago, 20 years ago, everybody's dBAs were in the upper 50s to 60s. It was real loud. You know, you couldn't watch TV until you turned off the dishwasher and vice versa. So what they have now is these 50 dBs for this one. It's at $4.99. A 50 dB is really quiet. It's like whisper quiet. You're going to have to kind of put your ear up to it to hear if it's on. And so this is one of those that are really quiet, and it's just a ridiculous price, down to $4.99. You're not really going to be able to find this in big box anymore. It's really only here at Appliance Factory. And so the other thing about it is it's front control, so everything is going to be exposed to you in terms of how much time is left, what cycles you're going to do on it. But it's got all the popular cycles that you would expect. And let's take a look at the inside. If you can see, it's only plastic on the bottom. It's what they call a hybrid, but it's stainless steel on the inside. And that stainless steel is really how they make it so quiet. They're able to put some mastic on the back of that allows it to dampen sound. So pretty cool piece. Now, one of the greatest things I like about Bosch dishwashers is this little pocket right here. A lot of people don't realize that, but your tablet, soap is now done in tablets, and that goes inside the little hole here. Let's see if I can get that up. Yep, it just drops right inside here, and then it closes up. And at the right time, when the water is the right temperature inside the dishwasher, it will actually release that tablet, and it just drops right into that pocket right there. No other dishwasher that I'm aware of has that. And if you look where the spray arm is, look at where it goes. It goes right underneath, and it sprays this so it actually dissolves tablets. One of the biggest complaints in dishwashers is that they put their soap in it and it drops to the bottom of the dishwasher, and the tablet is still there when they're done washing the dishes, which means it didn't get all the soap that it should have. So this one actually takes care of that really well. It also uses rinse aid right here, and you want to make sure on any dishwasher, any brand, you use rinse aid, because that's what's required to make it dry properly. If you ever hear, oh, my dishwasher won't dry, well, two things are happening there. They didn't use rinse aid, and they also opened the dishwasher before it said it was done with the indicators on the front or the bottom of the dishwasher. So these things dry perfectly as long as you will do those two things. And then my little sheet here says it'll handle up to 14 sets of dishes in there, so 14 place settings between here and here. There's a fold down time here if you want to put some more larger bowls or cups inside there. The other thing about this I like is that it's kind of the way old-fashioned used to do when they first got adjustable racks. You just take that out and see it's got two wheels on there, if I can do this from this level, and it goes right back in. So now I've just got all this extra space there so I can have taller dishes on the top. So that's pretty cool. Got these things here, and what you do with these things is you put things like a spatula or some kind of large utensils that you don't want on top. Now in a dishwasher, the things that I'm looking for, I like it to be stainless steel. I like it to have 3 levels of wash. So we've got the propeller on the bottom, the propeller on the top. We've also got this spray nozzle on the top here. So 3 levels, that's what we're talking about. So everything gets clean, having it all. So this has got everything I like in the dishwasher, and it's only $4.99 while it lasts at Appliance Factory. Now, if I were to do an upgrade, the next closest thing is only $6.79. So let me show you that one. So they're both considered 100 series Bosch dishwasher, so very similar acting, but instead of having controls on the front, this one has it on the top. so it's hidden underneath the counter. One of the things people like about the Bosches initially is that they were one of the first ones that actually shine a light on the floor when the dishwashers are done. These things are so quiet that you really kind of need that kind of indicator. On the front one, you don't need it because it tells you right on the front, but when there's top controls and you can't see the control panel, it shines a light on the floor here. So how do you work it? Well, you just hit all your buttons and you hit start, and shut it, and it will begin its process. I hope you enjoyed this today. It's really a terrific time to buy a dishwasher right after Labor Day. Come on in and see us.